2027 का बिट AIFF ने किया था, which is going to happen in Saudi Arabia in 2 years time. अभी वो बिट हम लोग रहता, अगर जीतता तो we would be playing in 2027. It would be hosted in India, which was the right time for us, because if we want to move ahead, we've done under 17. We've been playing Asia Cup regularly, so it was the right time for us to host 2027 Asia Cup. But Kalyan Chobe goes to Saudi. क्या डील करके आया, पूरा विड्रॉ कर लिया. Now suddenly 2031 का बिड कर रहा है after 4 years. What is the difference? अब 2027 का सबसे अच्छा मौका था, सबसे बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी था. ओनली सऊदी एंड इंडिया का चांस था, बिकॉज कतार ने होस्ट किया लास्ट एशिया कप. वी हैड अ वेरी गुड चांस ऑफ विनिंग इट एंड होस्टिंग इट इन इंडिया, एंड ही इज बैक्ड आउट. एंड उसमें क्या डील किया अंडर द टेबल, विच आई हैव बीन सेइंग दैट इट हैज टू बी इन्वेस्टिगेटेड properly by a neutral, somebody neutral has to investigate this, what the deal. And he's come back with a deal saying that Santosh Trophy हम सऊदी में खिलाएगा. So he's taken Santosh Trophy of India to Saudi Arabia, 1 year करा के आया, and Saudi Association के साथ I don't know what agreement करके है development का बाद, वो signature करने के बाद we have not seen any development that is happened with Saudi. I don't know what is going on. So there are a lot of this dodgy deals which has come under Kalyan. Now 2031, the interest abhi jo, there are 7 countries who's put interest to host Asia Cup. Why is it now all of a sudden coming in, which is going to be tougher, because aapka Uzbekistan is just qualified for World Cup. Central Asia has not hosted Asia Cup for many years. There are Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, and I think Tajikistan or Turkmenistan, they are coming together to host it. There are other countries who are bidding it, are interested, which is going to be very, very difficult. So when you have the opportunities, this kind of deals has been going. I'll give you a few examples as well. Now, look at AIFF. First time in history of AIFF, aaj tak, till today, nobody knows who is the winner of I-League. Kisi ko malum nahi. It is shocking. It just shows how bad the management is. They should have stopped the league, I-League, when the controversy happened. They should have had 3-4 matches remaining. Decide whatever, whoever gets the point, deducts the point. Us samay decision karna tha. And then tell them this is the decision. You've got another 4 matches to play. Then if you had played, anybody winning or losing would have been happy. But continue karne diya. Every club is being unfairly treated because every club is right in their own way. Now after declaring one club champion, there's a court CS saying other club is champion. Trophy de diya, phir bol raha hai wapas karo. It's become like a joke. Everybody is laughing about it, and it's so upsetting, and it's in a very difficult. Anybody following Indian football, you'll find that AIFF is just a circus right now. And when obviously if you put jokers in those positions, it's bound to be a circus. So it has become circus right now. Situation जो है, it's very unfortunate that अभी हम लोग ranking wise भी latest ranking में 133 गया है, and अभी सभी देख पा रहा है कि एशिया कप qualifiers में भी we are really struggling to qualify. And I still believe we've just played 2 matches, and I still believe, I think with the time now in October next match against Singapore, we still have a good chance to qualify, and I have a trust and belief with the Indian players. I'm sure they can qualify. At the same time, we also should realize that Asia Cup team after 2015 has become 24 team. अभी 24 टीम एशिया कप के लिए खेलता है. When we qualified for the Asia Cup under my captainship, वो 2011 का समय में हम जब खेला और 2008-9 में क्वालिफिकेशन हुआ, those days only 16 teams को खेलने को मिलता था. So after 2015 it has become 24 teams. So I feel 24 के अंदर तो आना चाहिए. So I have full faith and trust. Let's hope that we will start performing against Singapore. But sadly, it has not happened the way we want. there are a lot of reasons apart from just on the field, off the field का भी. In fact, हमारा great president कल्याण चौबे ने तो बोला था कि 2026 में हम लोग टॉप 10 में आने वाला है. टॉप 10 का वो रखा था, and he had also come out with 2047 project. India Vision 2047, and within that 2026 में he said हम टॉप 10 एशिया में आएंगे. एंड अभी कल 2-3 दिन प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के आगे बोल रहा है ये तो आप 10 साल आगे से प्रिपेयर करना था. इनफैक्ट जो प्लानिंग था एशिया कप, एशिया में टॉप 10 में आना, ये काफी साल आगे से अंडर प्रफुल्ल पटेल जी देयर वाज अ कंप्लीट प्लान. एंड दैट वे बाय 2025 वी वर सपोज्ड टू बी इन 2025-26 we were supposed to be in, but last 3 years I think in terms of performance, in terms of management, I think we've really had a very bad disaster. It's not only with men's team. In 3 years time under Kalyan Chobe, I think even women's team has gone down in the ranking quite badly. So that's been very, very unfortunate. So how do you change this now? It is very important. We as a nation, we need to start getting results. India team को how do you get results in international football? Who gets those results? आपको results एक ही लोग दे सकता है, those are players. Players आपको results दे सकता है. तो हमको produce करना पड़ेगा great football players, good quality football players. जब तक हम players produce नहीं करेंगे, so we can't expect them to deliver and qualify for Asia Cup and the World Cup. How do you produce players? You need to have strong grassroots football. अभी हम लोग विजन 2047 कल्याण चौबे का खाली पेपर में grassroots विजन 24, खुद को भी I don't think he is also read विजन 2047 क्या है and grassroots क्या है. Now to improve the grassroots, players आज का समय में कहाँ से आ रहा है? Where are they coming from? This players to play for national team all comes from state. डिस्ट्रिक्ट से आता है, स्टेट से आता है. So when you don't have players producing your grassroots strong in state level, where are you going to produce players? And today when you look at the federation का, I was just seeing the package and जो state associations को दे रहा है fund. When I fought the elections, I said very clearly that state association should get minimum 50 lakh. Or even more. Somehow